Okay, in this video, we're going to go over how to make a kick-ass sales video using Animoto. And we're going to do this in under 5 minutes, so go ahead and set your timers. Let's click on Create Video. And I'm going to choose the fire theme here. And we'll create video. Now what we're going to do is we're going to upload some pictures and some video from my computer. Now I've already made a little folder and I've just got to find where I put everything over here. Okay, here it is. And what I have in here are just a couple of pictures, some testimonials, little video in here too that we're going to add to it. So I'm just going to select all of these and click on Open. It's going to take a minute for these to download and process, especially the video one. That'll probably take a little while to process. Okay, and while we're waiting for the video one, I'm going to start moving things around. Go ahead and put this in the beginning. And I want my testimonials to be up front right after my opening page, so I'm going to move those fairly quickly right up to the top here. Okay, I'm going to leave this one right here. It's just a screenshot of my product. I'll put the 5-star reviews right up front in front of these testimonials. Then a little bit about the product, the different things that it teaches you. We'll leave our instant access at the end. And here's another testimonial I want to go ahead and move up here. Okay, so now I've got my splash page, my 5-star reviews, all my testimonials, a screenshot of the product, a couple features of what it's going to teach you how to do, instant access button, which doesn't actually work, but we're putting this in here for the effect. And I'm going to take my video here, I'm going to move it up to the very first one. I'm going to set this to be 10 seconds. This is actually a 20-second video, but Animoto for some reason only allows you to put 10-second videos in when you upload them. So there's the video right there. And you'll see the first 10 seconds. And you can set this to start a little bit later, so maybe our 10 seconds will be over here. But either which way, you can only do up to 10 seconds. So I'm just going to leave it start from the very beginning. Okay, I want to add a little bit of text here and there. So I'm going to add, let's add 4 of these, 4 little text boxes. And I'm going to put one, actually I'll put 2 at the end here. Let's put this one, we'll put it right after our testimonial or our product shot, and put one just before the instant access button. Okay, we'll write a little bit about the product. Maybe on this one we'll just Social Max Bootcamp, Uncensored, Nothing Held Back. And maybe on this one, we'll put Dominate Google. Take down the competition. On this one here, we'll put a link to our website. And we'll capitalize each one to make it easier to read. And on our last one here, we'll go ahead and put a little thing for our affiliates. Okay, and that's pretty much it for making the video. I'm going to head and click done here. I'm going to select some music, and I like the instrumental. That just basically means that there's no people actually speaking in it. Track 2020 is one of my favorites for upbeat, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And we're going to continue. I'm going to put this on 2x speed because this is a sales video and I like to keep the pace going really high. We're going to hide the Animoto logo, and this is actually only available in the Pro Edition or the Reseller Edition. If you have a different edition, you're not going to be able to hide the Animoto logo. Okay, we're going to call this Social Max Boot Camp Uncensored. And I'm going to leave the description out for right now, but you can put in your description here of your product. And I can actually just go ahead and copy and paste that from socialmaxbootcamp.com real quick so that at least we have a description in there. And it just takes a second. I'm working on a different screen right now. I'll just copy from my sales page and paste it in right here. And my producer name, and at the end of the button, end of the video, if you wanted a button to appear, you just click in the words that you'd like the button to say, and then type in your URL. Okay, then we'll click on Create Video. And you can also choose your thumbnail here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my splash page there. Create Video. And this is pretty much the longest it's going to take. I'm going to go ahead and press pause here. But normally you're looking at about a minute for Animoto to go through, process, compose, produce the video, and send you an email, let you know that it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and pause here, and I will be back with you in just a moment. Okay, now Animoto has totally processed and created my video for me. This one took a little bit longer than normal. It took about 5 minutes for it to process. But in the meantime, I was able to make myself a cup of coffee, check a little email, and I come back and my video is ready for me. So we're going to go ahead and preview what we've just made. There you go. That's our video we just made with our little button that's going to take us to the main sales page. Now if we want to, we can turn around and export this straight to YouTube. You just click begin export and it automatically sends it right to your YouTube channel. Now if you wanted to also, you could upgrade this to 480p. We're not going to do this right now because it takes about 2-3 3 minutes. With this video, it might take a little bit longer, maybe 5 or 6 minutes for it to upgrade to the full 480p. We can also download it so that we can use it on our website. And there's the 240p and the 480. And if we wanted to embed this on our sales page, we just click embed and it would give us the code. There's some advanced options here if you wanted to make it a little bit bigger, medium, or large, which I wouldn't recommend unless you've upgraded it to the 480p. Otherwise, just bring it down here to that small. You can set it to auto start, to loop indefinitely, or make it mobile friendly. Okay, there's some tools here if we wanted to remix it. Maybe we don't like the way some of the pictures came in. Maybe they went across the screen a little bit different. We could just click remix right here, and that would allow you to just basically remix the video and take about another 5 minutes for it to process. You can share the video on Facebook, whatever you basically wanted to do with it. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to download it so that I can use this on my website, and I'll show you what we're going to do with this later, but for right now I'm just going to go ahead and download this to my computer so I can use this later. Okay, well that's it for this video. In the next video I'm going to show you how to use the Animoto video in your sales page. I'm also going to show you how you can get other videos from YouTube so that you can use them, process them, create snippets from them, whatever you need to do with them. But you can download any video basically from YouTube. I'm also going to show you how to upload it using FileZilla and some other tidbits. So join me on the next video.